My name is Swati Kakade. We are doing the program for division of two 8-bit number using 8085 Intel simulator. The input 03 is on the memory location 2050, which is divisor, and second input 09 on the memory location 2051, which is dividend. We use two another memory location 2052 and 2053. 2052 is a remainder and 2053 is for the quotient. 09 divided by 03, then we get remainder as a 00 and quotient as a 03. This is the program for the division of two 8 bits number. The starting address is 200 and ending address is 2019. The first instruction is LDA. Load the accumulator by the content of 2050 memory location. It means that the content of 2050 memory location is loaded into the accumulator. The next instruction is move B, A. The content of accumulator is copied in the register B. The next instruction is add D, A. Load the accumulator by the content of 2051 memory location. It means that the content of 2051 memory location is loaded into the accumulator. The next instruction is MVIC. Move immediately data 00 into the C register. Next instruction is compare B. This instruction is for comparing the two input data. The next instruction is JC. Jump. If there is a carry, then jump on the memory location 2012. If there is no carry, then proceed. Next instruction is SUB B. It is for subtraction of B from E. It means that content of B register is subtracted from the accumulator. The next instruction is INR C. Increment C. It means that the content of C register is increased by 1. Then next instruction is jump. Jump. This instruction is when there is no carry, then jump on the memory location 2009 and the program goes into the loop. Up to there is a generation of carry. Then next instruction is STA store. The accumulator on memory location 2052. It means that the content of accumulator is stored into the memory location 2052. Then next instruction is move A, C. The content of C register is copied to the accumulator. The next instruction is STA. STA is store accumulator on the memory location 2053. It means that the content of accumulator is stored on the memory location 2053. Then next instruction is HLT. HLT instruction is used for the ending of the program. Its output is 76. This is the whole program for the two 8 bits division. Now we do this program on 8085 simulator. Firstly we fit our input data on 2050 Now we do this program on 8085 simulator. Firstly we feed input data on the 2050 memory location is a divisor. Next 205108 dividend. Now we start our program from 20 memory location. First instruction is LDA, for that opcode is 3A. Next is 50, next 20, next 47, next 3A, next 51, next 20, next 0E, next 00, next BA, next DA, next 12, next 20, next 90, next 0C, next C3, next 09, next 20, next 32, next 52, next 20, next 79, next 32, next 52, 20, next 20, next 79, next 32, next 53, next 20, next 76, then reset and execute the program. This is the ending of the program 76. Now we execute this program. Reset go fit the memory location from which we start the program 200 execute. Then we get at the accumulator 03. This is question of this program. By dividing the 09 by 03, we get question 03 in the accumulator as well as in the C register. We get the quotient in the accumulator, and C register we get the quotient. The remainder is on the memory location 2052, which is check the remainder on 2052. 2050, next 03 our first input data, and 2051 next 08 is our second input data, and this is 00 remainder on 2052 memory location, and this is the 03 quotient 2053 memory location. This is our output. 00 is remainder and 03 is quotient.